Are you thinking of buying an affordable and worthy house? Then what if I tell you that the housing industry is undergoing a revolutionary change because of Tesla's new outrageous $10,000 home for inexpensive living? The Tesla home is high quality and meets consumer demands, much like all other Tesla products. Welcome, and you are watching Technology Zone, where the home of technology resides. Join us as we discover the features and other aspects of the Tesla home in this video. The looks may deceive you, but this new Tesla home is quite cost effective. Its market price is only $10,000. Incredible, isn't it? Due to the high cost of building a home, the majority of Americans do not own one. Tesla is working to solve the issue of insufficient housing, which affects the entire planet with their crazy new house. Relative to the price of other Tesla products, the cost of this new home is significantly less. When compared to other similar items sold on the market, Tesla products are invariably distinctive ones because they simply shine out. It shines out among Tesla products, and the Tesla home stands out even from other houses because of its unique characteristics. It features a living room, a bathroom, a kitchen, and a bed despite being prefabricated. Also, this residence is built with two occupants in mind. The Tesla CEO, his wife, and son were residing in this home as of mid-2021. Solar panels on the roof allow it to harness the power of the sun, which is quite convenient for reusable energy. The power walls receive the energy from the sun, and that becomes the house's stored energy, which thus meets energy transfer in the house's electrical demands. In the Tesla home, you may use an electric kitchen for cooking, ironing clothes, charging electronics, and even heating the house in the winter. The Tesla home is also straightforward. It just has all the necessities anyone needs. It is not only cost-effective but also a pretty efficient way to use resources. When your family is simply 4 people, you have no need whatsoever to live in a home with 15 rooms. I mean, why would you go that far when you can get everything you need in the Tesla home? The Tesla homes are constructed in factories, folded, and then transported. Therefore, it's not too difficult to deduce what's inside the mysterious home, which is built mainly from EPS foam, steel, and concrete. And also, the exterior of the home is constructed of hardwood. Years of experimentation were required to determine which materials wouldn't damage walls, and since the flooring and roofs are entirely constructed of laminated panels, the house may drive them on public roads. Elon Musk, who is a millionaire, lives in this tiny, really affordable Tesla home. It's very unusual to see a millionaire residing in this small home when he can own a bigger one with his wealth. And not only that, the Tesla CEO sold his 6 mansions and moved into the Tesla home. It's very unbelievable but also inspiring. The tiny house is placed close to the Elon SpaceX business in Boca Chica. When Musk's 5 teenage children from his first marriage visit him, it is not easy to comprehend how he manages to thrive in this little home. His triplets are now 16 years old, whereas his twins are 18 years of age. It gave the media confirmation about Musk's situation when Boxable tweeted in November 2020 that they were putting a prefabricated home for one of their famous and confidential clients in Boca Chica. And because he also resides in the Boca Chica area, there is a connection between him and the prefabricated house. So when Elon tweeted that his primary residence is actually a $50,000 house in Boca Chica or Starbase that he rented from SpaceX, the suspicions were put to bed. Nevertheless, as he said, his current small house is wonderful, and the only property he didn't sell is the Events house in the Bay Area because if Elon is to sell it, it would be less used unless it was purchased by a large family, which could happen sometime. Like other Tesla goods, the new house is built with sustainability in mind as Elon is committed to lessening his global carbon footprint. The house is quite basic and will run entirely on solar power. Musk stopped paying for Tesla goods with Bitcoin in an effort to encourage sustainability. This is only a result of the large number of machines utilized to mine cryptocurrencies because the very unsustainable fossil fuels that power the computers are used. The advantage of Tesla home is that it can be carried around, or say, portable. The tech tycoon Elon Musk disclosed in a tweet that the Tesla Model X could tow the house. Quote, Tesla Powerwalls can support houses of any size, but the cool thing is that we can now tow this house around with the Model X, end quote. But I bet a Tesla Cybertruck which has a bigger towing capability would be more effective at hauling the house. To be more accurate, the Tri-Motor Cybertruck has a towing capacity of 7 tons, more than the 2 tons of the Tesla house. Additionally, a Tesla Home's mobility makes it a fantastic choice for an outdoor camp in the countryside. When you are far from home, it provides the ideal home feel. The Tesla Home mixes in flawlessly with other Tesla goods. One benefit is that Tesla cars may be charged using it. Consequently, you won't need to bother about finding a Tesla supercharging station. A few of the Tesla appliances that are in the small home can also be operated using the yet-to-be-released Tesla smartphone. To feel the interconnectedness of the Tesla products would be pretty amazing. What do you think? Visitors may also create their personal house solar power system on a screen in the design studio located within the Tesla small house. All of the electronics and lighting are solar powered, and all can be monitored and operated via a Tesla app. The inside is rather plain. Rather than being a completely furnished house, it serves more as a display for Tesla products. The concept for the Tesla house has just arrived at the right moment. It has occurred in a time when many individuals cannot afford to get mortgages and build their own homes. Additionally, the slow growth of the real estate industry is not keeping up with the rise in housing demand, which further complicates the situation. But owing it to Elon, he is making it more straightforward with the absurdly cheap Tesla house. Most low-income households in America, which are made up of people of color, cannot afford adequate housing. However, they may now readily find a low-cost Tesla house. The Tesla house has successfully entered the American market and is now being advertised in Australia. The vehicle is being towed by the Tesla marketing team in key Australian cities, including Sydney, New South Wales, and Melbourne. The remarkable house, entirely powered by renewable resources, has captivated locals in the locations the Tesla team has visited. Quote, "The tour is aimed to give a one-on-one instructional experience on how to connect Powerwall and solar to smoothly power a whole house 24/7, allowing Australian customers to acquire control and awareness of their power consumption." End quote. One of Tesla's newest initiatives, the Small House Tour, is debuting in Australia. And not only that, in South Australia, the business will build the biggest battery installation in the world. However, it has not yet provided solar panels across the nation. This is expected to change shortly. There's a good chance the outlandish new Tesla house may end up saving the world. This is mainly because it is sustainable, which will significantly minimize the carbon impact. The threat posed by global warming and climate change to sustaining life on Earth is significant. The world will experience a substantial rise in temperature when global warming reaches its peak. As a result, the Earth's water will evaporate, leading to a lack of both water and food. The ozone layer, which shields the planet from the sun's damaging UV radiation, is being destroyed by global warming. It would be incredibly challenging to live on Earth without the ozone layer in the atmosphere. Both plants and the plankton that provide food for the majority of marine life cannot survive and thrive in environments with high UV exposure. Consequently, any strategy that encourages the use of clean and green energy should be supported, and the Tesla house is doing just that. The outrageous new Tesla house is stylish and reasonably priced. It provides a quick and efficient solution to the housing dilemma, not only in America but even in other countries. When it is possible to own a Tesla house, nobody will have an excuse for not having a place of their own. If you found this video informative and exciting, consider giving it a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, hit that notification bell to be constantly updated with our upcoming videos. You can visit our channel for more content of the likes. And again, this is the Technology Zone, and see you guys in the next one.